Hello everyone, and welcome back to my other Play-Doh YouTube videos. You have seen some that are really cool. Okay, so first I have the world. This is the world. Whoa. This is the world made out of Play-Doh. This is made out of Play-Doh. In the background looks super duper dark because I'm doing a video in the night. I'm doing this for all of you guys. Since you're my cool YouTubers, I'm a YouTuber. I still have the YouTube shirt. So here is the world. This is the land, and the blue stuff is the ocean. There's a little piece of, so I'm just gonna put that there. And then we have a Pac-Man scared ghost. This is what it looks like. This is blue. It just looks black because in the camera. So here it is, blue. And when it gets scared, it turns this color, not black, blue. See? And then it goes like this. And it tries to escape, and when Pac-Man eats him, that means he halves. And then he comes back to his home, and then he faces him again. And then when he's not scared, he turns this color. There's a green ghost that I played on Pac-Man. Is there a green ghost? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I made a green ghost made out of Play-Doh. Has little eyes made out of Play-Doh. Put that there. And then we have the guy that eats the ghosts. You wonder who's the guy that eats these two persons? Ghost. Oh, sorry. The eye couldn't move. Fell off. You could take the eyes off if you want to see. Here's the eye. We're gonna put that back. Okay. The guy that eats the ghost is John Pac-Man. I'm a little piece of Play-Doh. And then I have more stuff that I will show you first. I have a crown in my house. In my mom's room. Well, my mom sleeps with my dad in her room because it's both of their rooms. And the timer up there is the timer. Every time we do a video, the timer always be like that. And when it hits 0, what happens when it hits 0?
It means it finished recording.
Yeah, so when it's 0, that means it finished recording. So that's the answer to my question. If you want to watch a question, watch this question. Do you know that Earth really looks like this? This green thing right there is land. The blue stuff is not black. It's actually like blue because look at that. See? Look, blue. When it's in the dark, you cannot really see. It looks like I'm not holding anything. It looks like I'm not holding anything. I'm just like springing my fingers. Just like opening like that. But I'm not actually doing that. I'm actually holding this. This is called Black Strike. Black Strike makes everything black or strikes. It's Black Strike. It's all black strikes. You know they black strikes. and I almost forgot. I have a light. So that's why it looks so shiny.